Carrot, eye health and antioxidant-rich goodness. Carrots aren't just great to add a splash of color to meals, they are also loaded with vital nutrients that help improve eyesight health as well as provide an array of antioxidant advantages. They can be a delicious and versatile ingredient to your diet, providing numerous health benefits that are worthy of being part of your regular diet. In this post, we'll explore the amazing benefits of carrots and the reasons to consider including them in your diet to improve your eyesight and general well-being. In terms of eyesight, it is often carrots that are the first thing that pops to your mind. They contain beta-carotene, which is a precursor of vitamin A that is vital for healthy vision. Vitamin A is a key part in maintaining the condition of the retina, which is the portion of the eye that is responsible in converting light signals into the brain. Insufficient vitamin A could lead to night blindness as well as other vision issues. Alongside beta-carotene, carrots are also rich in lutein as well as zeaxanthin, two antioxidants which can be particularly beneficial to eyes. These antioxidants help shield the eyes from damaging ultraviolet, UV, radiation and decrease the chance of macular degeneration, which is a major reason for vision loss among older people. A regular intake of carrots will aid in maintaining clear vision and shield the eyes from a variety of eye conditions. Carrots also contain antioxidants. These are substances which protect your body from the harm caused by harmful free radicals, also known as free radicals. Free radicals are a source of an oxidative stress that can lead to chronic inflammation as well as an increase in the chance of developing various chronic illnesses such as heart disease, cancer, as well as autoimmune diseases. The antioxidants in carrots, like vitamin C and vitamin E and beta-carotene, aid in neutralizing these free radicals and decrease the chance of damage from oxidative. Furthermore, the antioxidants found contained in carrots could possess anti-cancer effects. Certain studies have demonstrated that compounds in carrots, such as falcarinol and falcarindiol, may aid in preventing the growth of cancerous cells, as well as reduce the chance of developing certain kinds of cancers, including breast cancer, lung cancer, as well as colon cancer. But more studies are needed to know the full extent the anti-cancer properties of carrots. In addition to their antioxidant and eye health advantages, carrots provide many additional health benefits too. They're low in calories and high in fiber, making carrots a great option for weight control as well as digestive health. High levels of fiber of carrots helps maintain a healthy digestive system as well as preventing constipation. It also helps to maintain a healthy microbiome in the gut. Carrots can also be a great source of minerals and vitamins that include potassium, vitamin K, as well as biotin. Vitamin K is vital to prevent blood clotting and improve bones health. Potassium assists in controlling blood pressure and helps maintain the health of your heart. Biotin however, is essential for maintaining good skin, hair, and nails. Furthermore, they are an incredibly versatile vegetable which can be used in many different recipes. When eaten as a raw snack, or grated in salads or stews, or cooked into stews and soups, they provide a delicious crunch and naturally sweet flavor to meals. They also make a great component in smoothies and juices that provide a refreshing and healthy way to reap the benefits. For the greatest nutritional value of carrots, it's recommended to eat them raw or cooked lightly. Cooking too long can cause the loss of nutrients, especially the water-soluble vitamins such as vitamin C. Incorporating carrots into your daily diet, you will benefit from their many advantages and also give a lively flavor to your food. The bottom line is that carrots aren't just regular roots vegetables. They're nutritional, powerful antioxidants that can improve eye health, offer antioxidant protection, and provide many additional health advantages. Incorporating carrots into your diet will help you improve your eyesight and reduce your risk of developing chronic illnesses, aid in digestion, and improve your overall health. If you're in the store, make sure to pick up the bright orange carrots and begin reaping the amazing advantages they offer. However, it is important to not be used in place of medical treatment. With a medical expert, you will be able to find the most effective treatment strategy to meet your particular needs, as well as improve your mental health.